Just finished serving breakfast to everyone. Now it's my turn. I'm gonna sit down and eat. And you might be wondering why my house looks like Warzone. I just took off the ugly track lighting and installed this one. I have to work on that ugly light now. So I'll show you guys when it's done. Because I'm alone and nobody's here to film me, so we'll just see the end result. We're almost done here. Just the final touches. I'm going to put that plate up and close it in and see if it works. Today we are putting together a change table for the baby. It arrived today and my daughter helped me sort everything out and we're gonna put it together now. So I will show you once we are done. So here's the final product. We put it together. It was pretty easy to do. I didn't use the original doorknobs that came with it. These ones I'd purchased some time ago. I think they went really nicely with this. Makes it look more chic, so I love it. Still have to get the change pad. There's plenty of time. And look, I finished knitting my baby's blanket. Just finished making dinner. I'm gonna have my dinner and then sit down and study for some time. Got lots of homework to do. Just watching a movie with my kids, and just want to thank everybody for watching my vlog. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and that's it for today.